Good morning, everyone. I didn't close off my vlog yesterday because I was so tired, but it's now another morning and we are heading out again. We're starting off the day quite late today because we were so tired, but I'm quite excited. We're going to go to the botanical garden, but first off, we're going to have to make the mandatory stop at Merlion. I'll see you there.
Just where it was needed, gleaming black as night, cloistered in injustice, dead in the eye of time. Nobody is losing, faces merchant change, while your face remained the same. Swallows will be here by dawn. When we're finally sober, they'll be gone. The trees will bloom and ice will melt. We'll always remember how it felt.
Hi everyone. So we just finished lunch and we had this really good salted egg chicken that is very famous. It's very touristy. It's called 3 meals a day. I think it's good and worth it. The price was very good as well. It was below $10 each. So I enjoyed that. But I also wanted to try this salted egg place that my friend told me about. He used to live here and he said that it is so good. But I don't think my stomach will allow it. So I'll just maybe give it another try another day if I keep on thinking about it. But for now, we'll just go to the Singapore Botanic Garden, which I've been looking forward to. I feel like that is the one place that is on top of my bucket list throughout this trip. So I'll see you guys there. We are here at the Botanic Garden. It started raining not too long after we arrived. I mean, it was already dark, but I didn't really think much about it. But I feel like God is so good because I saw a gazebo and I was so tired, so I said to my brother, okay, let's sit for a little bit. And as soon as we entered, it started pouring and the rain didn't stop for 1 hour. So at first I was like, did I make the wrong decision to come here? Could I have spent my time better elsewhere? But then it turned out to be one of the most relaxing times, which I didn't expect. And if you guys know me at all, I really love rain and I really love nature. City was never much of my element. So just stepping into this botanic garden, I felt like I could breathe a lot more. And topping it off with rain, I had an amazing time. And my parents were out with a friend as well, but they came to the botanic garden, and when they were walking, it started raining. So they also managed to find another gazebo and we ended up enjoying the rain. Yeah, it was amazing. If there's anything I learned, because life is reflective and all, is that sometimes God helps you by making the rain stop, but the other times He gives you the shelter to wait it out. So it turned out for the best. I had a really good time and I'm going to find my parents. We're going to continue exploring because this is just the front part of the garden, so there are still a lot more inside.
Hotel Singapore.
The National Museum of Singapore was interesting. I forgot just how much I love the museums here. I feel like all of the memories, the best memories that I've had of Singapore have always been in their museums. And so if you're planning to visit, I highly recommend making time just to visit their museums. I've been to the ones in Sentosa. I don't think the one in Sentosa is museum, but there is this place where you can learn about the Singaporean history. So even that for me was already so nice. And I really like how they display their information. Everything was proper, and the museums here are always the kind of places that give you that nostalgic feeling whenever you look back to a trip. So yeah, maybe that's just me, but I really enjoy it. And now I'm heading out to dinner. I'm thinking of going to Lau Pa Sat. Also very thirsty, but I've never been there before, so I'm just gonna do it. And I've learned about this place from the Crazy Rich Asian, and Nicholas Young cannot be wrong, right? So let's just do it and see what it's all about.